Salut les amis! Hi friends! Bienvenue dans tous les jours 20 verbes avec Radhika à French and You. Welcome to Everyday 20 Verbs with Radhika at French and You. Dans cette vidéo, vous pouvez apprendre 20 verbes en français. In this video, you can learn 20 verbs in French. Partie 2. Part 2. Identifier. Identifier. To identify. Adorer. Adorer. To love. Aimer. Aimer. To like. Arriver. Arriver. To arrive. Chercher. Chercher. To search. Cliquer. Cliquer. To click. Danser. Danser. To dance. Chanter. Chanter. To sing. Jouer. Jouer. To play. Dessiner. Dessiner. To draw. Écouter. Écouter. To hear. Détester. Détester. To hate. Entrer. Entrer. To enter. Regarder. 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 To watch. Garder. Garder. To keep. Cacher. Cacher. To hide. Crusher. Crusher. To spit. Changer. Changer. To change. Fabriquer. Fabriquer. To make. Manger. Manger. To eat. C'est tout dans cette vidéo. That's all in this video. If you wanna learn French with me, remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel and stay tuned with French and You. See you in the next video. Until then, bye from Radhika. Au revoir et bonne journée. Bye bye and have a nice day.